hungry. You hungry? Where's the food? Where's the food, Kiki? Show me where's the food. Show me where's the food. Yeah, that's what she does. There's nothing safe around here until she breaks it and gets whatever she wants. There you go. Emma Smart or Emma Smart. There's more? Yeah, Mika, you want me to give it to you, right? Kika will get some more. I know you try harder, Kiki. Come on. No? Mickey's waiting. No, I'm not going to give it to you. Try to get that yourself. You opened the two of them yesterday. You opened up and ate everything. No? You don't feel like it on the cameras? All right then.